Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll learn how we can review billing dashboard and set up a billing alarm to avoid paying too much for AWS. So here you can see my account opened up and I'm under billing and cost management. You can reach over here by tapping in billing and cost management, and over here you can select the services. Once you have selected it, you will be able to see the cost breakdown over here month by month. The current month to date cost is also shown over here, and compared to the last month, whether it has increased or not, that is also shown over here. The forecasted cost for current month is also shown. Last month cost for same time period is shown over here, and last month's total cost as well. You can also click on view bill to view the bill, but what we need to do over here is we need to set up an alarm so that when our cost increases a certain amount, we get a notification for the same. To do that, we have to go to our CloudWatch. So here you can access CloudWatch again by typing the service name. So here you can see if I type CloudWatch, you'll get the services CloudWatch. Select that, and over here you need to click on billing. When you do that, you'll be presented with this screen, and you can see that it says that you get 10 free alarms and 1000 free email notifications each month as part of the AWS free tier. And I think that is sufficient enough for our scenario. So what we do is we click on create alarm. Once we click on that, we get this specifying metric and condition. The namespace is AWS billing, and the metric name over here by default is selected to estimated charges. The currency default is USD, that's US dollar, and we have the statistic maximum period is of 6 hours. So the default selection works for us. If not, you can go ahead and click on edit to edit the same. Now, under conditions, you will notice we have a threshold type. So we have a static threshold, and by that we mean that we have to specify a value for that. So here you can see whenever estimated charges is greater than, let's say, $6, I want a notification to be sent. Under additional configuration, we don't need to do anything. So that's pretty much it that we need to specify our alarm. Click on next, and over here you can see the notification coming up. Now under notification, you can see over here it says alarm state trigger. Let's define the alarm state that will trigger this action. So here it says in alarm, the metric or expression is outside of the defined threshold. For us, that's what we need to configure. So we'll be sticking by it in alarm. Then it says send a notification to the following ANS topic. So here I can say send a notification to, and the topic is threshold billing amount exceeded. And this is something which we can do by clicking on over here, create a new topic, and the topic over here is threshold billing amount exceeded. Now here I need to specify the email address, so I'll be specifying mine over here. And once that's done, you can click on create topic. And that's pretty much it that we need to do over here. So you can see that we have configured actions. Now, when I click on next over here, it will take me to this configuration action. And here also, I can specify the alarm name. So this is the same alarm name that we provided over there as well for SNS. Clicking on next, here we have the graph metric created, and click on create alarm to finish this whole process. Once you have done that, it will say that successfully created threshold billing amount exceeded. And over here it says that Amazon SNS doesn't send messages to an endpoint until the subscription is confirmed. So here let's go ahead and verify that. So you might have received an email for the same, and you need to make sure that you confirm to that. So let me confirm the same from my side. So here we have subscription confirmed. Now if I reload this page, you'll notice over here under status it says it's confirmed. So now if the amount exceeds that value, $6, we will be receiving a notification from AWS for the same. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.